Yeah, so now I'm gonna show you how you change the tire. First I'll show how to take it off. So take it off here. Then obviously take the valve cap off, put it aside, don't lose it. Take the nut off here. You don't want to lose that either. Then let all the air out. Once you've taken all the air out, what you want to do now is squeeze this wheel tire like so. You can hear it pop. It goes in the sides of this tire. It falls in the center of the rim. So just squeeze it all around. You can see it comes off from the rim. Now when I've squeezed it all around, it's here in center, it's very loose. Now I can take a tire lever, put it here, take another tire lever, put it next to the other, then squeeze the tire if it's back on the rim, and just move little by little. You need 3 of these tire levers and just work your way around the tire like this. I think now we are just able to pop it off. Now once the other side is off, take out the inner tube. Like so. Put it aside. And then you just be able to pull this off, like so. Now take the wheel that you wanna put in, or the tire. In this case I want to put in this gigantic monster wheel. And do the reverse, do just what you did, but in reverse. So first put this other side. This is gonna be very difficult, this tire. I have to use these gloves. So put this other side in first. Once that's been done, once the one side is on, take your inner tube, find the hole for a valve here, put this inner tube in, put the valve through the hole in the rim, and then just start putting this other side in. You can see that the side of the tire is more out, more up, and the center of the tire is in. So you want the rail, the side, this part of the tire, you want to be in the middle of the rim when you put it on and take it off. Makes it a lot easier. Now once the other side has been fitted into place with blood and tears, take the valve nut, the valve, put it on, take the pump, And at the start you wanna pump it quite hard so it rises to the side of the rims. It goes on, as we say. It's not in the middle. You can hear it popping, that means it's going to sides.